Hello and welcome to my channel. Why work harder when you can work smarter? Today, I'm going to show you a trick on how to create beautiful mosaic patterns. Let the video begin. We will start by painting 4 squares in the color white, and try as much as you can to make them the same size. Feel free to use a plastic bag as a basis. After you have finished applying, cure the nail for 60 seconds. Apply different shades of blue on top of the white. When you are done, harden the plastic bag with the 4 different colors. Again, try to make the squares as even as you can. Now, carefully pull the square from the plastic bag and take your time. Now you cut out small squares, and it doesn't matter if the squares happen to be different sizes. That's completely okay. Now comes the fun part. Apply a very thin layer of top coat, but do not cure the nail. Then, take all the small squares you have cut out and place them on the nail randomly. When you are happy with the placement, cure the nail. If a piece is too big, you can always cut it out later. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section, and I will get back to you. Here, I have used the same technique, but have used different shades of the color red. Is this something you would imagine being able to recreate? What did you think? Was the nail design made smarter, or did I make it harder? Thanks for watching, and bye for now.